This is a stolen Corvette, captured here on traffic cameras as it slips into Flagler County on February 20th, 2025. It had been reported stolen out of Seminole County just hours earlier. As the Corvette moves through Palm Coast, units quietly track its path, waiting for the right moment. But when deputies finally locate it, the driver is nowhere in sight. What happens next turns a simple recovery into a fast-moving chase involving a second getaway car.
Corvette, it's been there to storm. We got 3 units there now.
Okay, I'm over you guys right now. What do you want me to do? You want me to make a bunch of noise right over this, or stand off, or what do you want to do?
Dispatch has been updated.
Just keep a visual for now in case this flees or anything.
The moment they saw deputies, they jumped into the stolen Nissan and sped off. Air support was called in, and deputies deployed spike strips as the suspects tried once again to outrun law enforcement.
That fleeing vehicle.
Copy, notify FHP 1346.
If it turned on the Tesla's parkway, notify the school.
Okay, we are coming up to the first main intersection. I do believe that is Beltier. We are a quarter mile west of Beltier. I'll let you know if it goes through or turns.
Firefly, if you see tires starting to plate, just give us an update.
Okay, I've got smoke coming out of the, looks like they're starting to lose some tires there. Went through Belterre, we're still straight. Okay, as soon as you pass Belterre, we've got car bail out on, we've got, hold on a second, driver is, looks like a black male brown hoodie. We got 2 more suspects. Driver is going to the... Alright, I'm on top of him. He's not going anywhere. Hold on a second. Okay, we got all 3. We're able to keep up. I do construction. And we'll be coming up to Kansas.
Is it in front of that semi or behind it?
Charlie 214 and 5. I got South 6 just north of the roundabout.
Off the radio. Is it in front of the semi or behind it?
Alright, units, straight off radio to second here. We're engaging traffic.
Buck, get off the radio! Off the radio! Stick hit, all 4 tires!
The spikes blew their tires, and soon after, the suspects abandoned the car and ran into the neighborhood.
Come on down, come on down, come on down. Get ready to turn left. You're going to see some a flag on the side right there. Stop, 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 stop. Okay, 2 people out here in the middle of the road over here, just to the north of where the deputies are. We got 2 guys in silver cars chasing them.
I don't know, I don't see the flag.
They got a flag. I thought it was running in front of the house. 2 guys right here back of this pool area, right here on the pool deck. I don't see any weapons. Moving to the back corner. Okay, he's out there in front of that building right there in the trail. There's another one right in there somewhere.
I think he stopped us too far.
Show me your hands! Backward. Here! More head! Give me one up! Here, give me one up, give me one up! There, right there! Show me your fucking hands! Show me your hands!
He's going that way!
He's going your way, going your way!
I got him right here. Stop! Heading north section street.
Okay, he's out there in front of that building right there to turn out. There's another one right in there somewhere.
What street is this? What street?
Come to the back. This guy's coming right to you. That guy on the ground right there, he's right there to you, to your right. That's the guy. There you go, there's the dude. Somebody's talking to somebody else.
Ground! Get on the ground right now! Get on the ground! Sprawl out! Hands out! Hands out! Get on the fucking ground! Get on the fucking ground! Hands out! Hands out! Hands out! Don't fucking move! Hold off! Don't fucking move! You good? I'm sorry. Okay, I'm on my mind.
Copy 2 secure 900. Okay, for 5.
Firefly, last known location.
I'm sorry, officer.
1 out 10. So, hold in there. Whoever was in the gray SUV came in. Yelling at them to stop there. Where they stopped their vehicle, it was about a block behind them. It was a wooded area behind a greenhouse. Then they all moved to the east from that position. I saw the 3 of them together. I got a unit out there, right where I was yelling to stop there, where that flag is on the road. I think right in that area is the last time I saw the 3 together.
Sit up.
Do we have a description of the one outstanding?
Long way from the canal. So the third person is looking like I got, I'm going to say just east of that bailout area is where I last saw them together. Alright, good. Can I come out?
Ready?
One suspect was still hiding somewhere in the neighborhood. Deputies set up a perimeter and called in a K-9 team, using the dog to search yards and back alleys until they closed in on his location.
Right where you see 7407. That's the last area, that empty lot, and that corner lot that all three were seen together. Concentrate on it.
Yeah, the wooded lot by the street there.
Yeah.
I think they were at the passenger side of the Jeep. That's where they were last seen. Yeah. Halfway down where we going? Halfway down the side of the house with the freeway. Piece of clothing right here.
What?
Piece of clothing right here.
Yeah. We got clothing right here.
Here.
We got his mask.
Go. Here. Clothing and a mask.
Yeah, and we got a silver sweatshirt.
See it?
Yep.
Oh, see?
Right there. What's that? Yeah, I'm coming.
Like to work. Show me your hands now! Show me
Let me see your hands!
hands up! Hands up! Show me your hands now! If you move, you're gonna get bit!
Do you understand? Can you get to him?
You run, you're gonna get bit!
Hey, I want you to come out towards me.
Come out towards you.
Yep, stand up, hands up, hands in the air.
Can you grab my hands?
Stand up with your hands in the air. Watch out, there's a bunch of thorns right here.
Pull me up.
When you come out, you go straight down on your stomach.
Yes, sir.
Stand up, put your feet under you.
I'm trying to.
Hearing now.
I'm behind your back, dude. Any weapons on you?
All right, last one secured. Great job.
Copy. Last one secure.
All three suspects were taken into custody and face multiple charges, including grand theft of a motor vehicle, fleeing and eluding law enforcement, resisting arrest, possession of a stolen vehicle, leaving the scene during an active investigation.